Hi everyone, so today I want to unbox with you a new style from a new collection by Belletress. If you're wondering what wig I'm wearing, this is Bradshaw, also by the Icons collection, and this is also available at Wig Studio One. And when you use my code K30, you will get 30% off. This is about Teresa today, so let's unbox her. Comes packaged like we are used to. The net. So let's look at the cup construction straight away. It's the same as on Bradshaw. So if you're interested in Bradshaw, you will have the same cup construction. So you have a double mono top. You have a great extended lace front. I mean, look at the lace front here on Bradshaw is beautiful. So I can only assume it's beautiful on here as well. Then you have polyurethane ear tabs. These are really slim. So as you can see on Bradshaw, there is no bulk here on the side. It gives you a really flush fit neck. Velvet nape with Velcro adjusters. And then it's a mainly hand-tied cap. So you have all of this front section and the mid section is hand-tied. And then you have some covered wefts at the... Let's look at this color. This is gorgeous. So if you just want to have a quick comparison of, this is Butter Cake Blonde R. And this is Sparkling Champagne. So this is slightly more beigey in tone, I would say. And this, in comparison, this one is a little bit more golden. Whilst this is more like, almost like a mushroomy beigey color. In comparison, and if you have, it by itself, it might not feel that way. Teresa, as you can see, very loose curls here, very similar to Bradshaw. So in terms of the loose wave. Isn't that always the most exciting bit? Let me just shake it first. It's that flip. Once you put it on and then you flip up and you get a real impression of what it looks like first. It's just so exciting. Maybe it's just me. Here's the flip and here you get an idea of what it looks like. So cute. Ooh, this is adorable. I will not play with it too much. I want to show it to you straight out of the box. I just run my fingers through it just so it lays not as manic. This is adorable. This is really cute. I feel there's a little bit more volume looks-wise on Teresa than it is on Bradshaw. So Teresa seems slightly shorter than Bradshaw. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. Let's look at the lace front. Wow, another really good lace front. Oh, this is lovely. I'll show you the mono top, which is really natural, I feel. Let me just comb it through. Fibers feel lovely. I think this is great for every day. It's really light. This is absolutely adorable. So let's look at this wave pattern here. Let me just show that to you in comparison to Bradshaw. So they are both quite loose curls or loose waves. So tell me what you think of Teresa. Always interesting to know people's opinions. Obviously we'll review this in depth, so stay tuned for that as well. Have a lovely day and I hope I see you for my review.